Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got the fire sale sneak peek video for Friday, August 28th at 6 p.m. Remember, it's 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, so we're doing evening Friday fire sales, as well as we're going to have a special one on Monday. But for Friday's 6 p.m. one, we're going to start going over everything that is on there. So number one is a pair of Solo shoes size 10 for $30. Number two is a pair of Academics shoes size 8 for $25. Number three is this awesome USA purse. It's a crossbody bag purse for $20. You cannot find that one on Hooked on Pickin, but you can find a bunch of other purses on Hooked on Pickins. Check it out there. All right, number four is a jogger mid-rise 1X pair of pants for $10. Number five is a Karen Scott extra large sweater for $20. I believe that's a cardigan. Number six is a JM Collection white cardigan petite extra large for $20. Number seven is a Style & Company extra large gray and blue top for $15. Number eight is an Alfani 4X teal top for $30. I think that's a gorgeous pattern. Number nine is a Style & Company 2X brown top for $20. Number 10 is a Karen Scott blue extra large sweater for $15. Number 11 is a Karen Scott medium green sweater for $15. Number 12 is a Karen Scott size large black cardigan for $20. Number 13 is from my local artisan. Super awesome. It's a cool Halloween tree with a face. $40 is what it costs, and it does light up, which I'll show you tomorrow. So it's got 9 different settings where it'll blink red lights in there or stay solid. Number 14, this is perfect for the poor teachers that have to struggle through this year. This is a teacher's apple. It's the only teacher's pet they have. And he can put different color birds on it, and it can be reproducible, but we are selling this red one for $35, and it's made out of an actual thing called an apple gourd, okay? Number 15 is a Hot Shaper women's size small for $15. Number 16 is a JM Collection petite large purple top for $20. Number 17 is a pair of really cute floopy sandals, size 8 for $15. Number 18 is a pair of Sarah Noma gray sandals, size 8 for $20. Number 19 is basically the exact same sandals, only in the color brown, size 8 for $20. Number 20 is a members only pair of shoes, size 11 medium, which means it's a basic normal width, for $10. Cute slip-on ones. And those, I believe, are they men's shoes? Yeah, those are the members only are men's shoes. Number 21 is a Franco Vannucci pair of men's red sneakers, size 13. Hard to come by for $35. Then number 22 is a pair of men's Jackson Brown shoes. 10.5 is the size for $15. Number 23 is a pair of Norte footwear water shoes that are size 9 for $10. Number 24 is a pair of floopy sandals. They are navy in color, size 8 for $15. Number 25 is a cool pair of Journey Collection gray shoes, 8.5. Nice, cool kind of wedge look there for $25. Number 26 is a pair of wedge sandals, Lady Godiva brown, size 8 for $35. Number 27 is a pair of floopy size 9 sandals for $15. Number 28 is a UV signature black dress shoe, size 8.5, cool diamond pattern on it, for $30. Number 29 is a X-ray blue size 12 shoe, kind of a bluish and denim looking, that is $30. Number 30 is a Skechers pair of work shoes, super durable, size 10 for $30. Number 31 is a pair of X-ray size 11 dark blue pair of shoes for $30. Slip-ons, really cool looking. Number 32 is a Karen Scott medium black cardigan for $20. Number 33 is a Style & Company petite large black sweater for $20. Number 34 is an International Concepts INC blue floral dress OX, gorgeous. It's got a handkerchief hem, spaghetti straps, kind of a halter look, $40. Number 35 is another Halloween tree. I say it has fairy lights. I'm going to give you a sneak peek real quick. Look at that. $35. These are reproducible too. So if you don't get one on this fire sale, just let me know and I can get more made. $35 for that Halloween tree with the fairy lights. Number 36 is an International Concepts 3X black and white dress for $30. Number 37 is an Alfani 1X red top for $25. Number 38 is an Alfani kind of orangish top for $25. It's a 2X. Number 39 is another thing from my local artisan. It's a birdhouse gourd. It's got a hole for the bird to live in there, and then it's also got some holes in the bottom for the water to drain out. And each gourd would be a little bit unique, but that is only $20 for that. Number 40 is a medium clothing lot bundle. It's actually 2 size medium tops that you only have to pay $10 for. Number 41 is a pair of gray slippers, size 11/12 for $15. Number 42 is a pair of floopy sandals, size 8, white in color, $15. Number 43 is an extra small clothing top lot bundle for $10. It's women's tops. Number 44 is a PP clothing lot bundle. Petite clothing lot bundle for $10, 2 tops. Number 45 is a pair of Holly PJs, size extra large, the pants and the top, $15. Number 46 is a size small women's top clothing lot bundle for $10. Number 47 is size extra large in the clothing lot bundle, again $10. Number 48 is a petite small, which includes a black top clothing lot bundle for $10. Number 49 is a large clothing lot bundle for $10. You get 2 tops, remember, in each one of these bundles. Number 50 is an Olivia Miller size 10 pair of white shoes for $25. Number 51 is a petite small blue clothing lot bundle for $10. Number 52, did I say 52 last time? Anyway, number 52 is a petite extra large clothing lot bundle for $10. Number 53 is a pair of red slippers for $20, cute slipper loafers. Number 54, on over to the other table, is a coffee shop green puffer jacket, super duper nice. It is size 3X with a cool faux fur hood, and it will be only $40. Super warm. Perfect time of the year to be buying that. Then number 55 is a Hampton blue jacket, 3XL, $40. It's another puffer coat with that faux kind of hood on it. Number 56. Thank you. Number 56 is a Haute Edition charcoal in color, size small dress jacket, kind of a wool dress jacket. Number 57 is a navy puffer coat, similar to the ones we've just looked at, size 1X, only $40. Number 58 is a reseller shoe lot. See that box? It's chocked full of a bunch of pairs of shoes. 8 pairs of shoes. It's going to be $80, so $10 a pair of shoes, but they all come with their boxes. So various different sizes for you to resell or keep or give away.
Not Target.
Not Target stuff.
I think there's almost every different size.
Okay, almost every different size. I think there's 2 pair of 7.5s and everything else is a different size. All right, then number 59 is another Haute Edition charcoal size large dress trench coat style, $40. Number 60 is an awesome sofa protector, really nice, no rips or tears in it, $15, and it is kind of a light tan brown in color. Number 61, of course, of these orange candles that you guys love, the citrus orange ones. There are 4 of them available. You get all 4 of those candles for $20. And there's 4 available. So if you want multiples, you just have to indicate that when you buy. Number 62 is a feather knife, really cool. It's got a Native American head on it, very sharp. It is a usable knife. It folds all the way out and locks and then folds all the way in. I think it's about 4.5 inches long. Feather knife, $15, 4 of them available. Remember, you can bundle all your shipping with the fire sales. Number 63, Bermuda shorts, size 24W, $20. Number 64 is an Alfani pair of black pants, 20W is the size, $30. Number 65 is an Alfani tan pair of pants that are 28W, $35. Number 66 is an International Concepts, size 24W denim pair of pants, $35. Number 67 is a Style & Company green 18W pair of shorts, $20. Number 68 is an Alfani black 20W pair of pants, $35. Number 69 is an Alfani 1X pink top for $30. Number 70 is a Karen Scott blue dress, 2X is the size, $25. Number 71 is a Karen Scott red 1X top for $15. Number 72 is an Alfani 3X, kind of a coral orangey peach top for $20. Number 73 is a Charter Ocean Drift top 2X for $20. Number 74 is an Alfani 3X pop art top for $25. And last but not least, number 75 is a bar 3 medium floral wrap dress right here on the mannequin, only $15 full length. So don't forget to watch Extreme Unboxing on A&E Tuesday nights. We should be on a bunch of the episodes that are still left in the season. And if you have missed any, go ahead and check them out on the A&E streaming app. Also, you can find lots of things at hookedonpickin.com. If you want to be a part of the fire sale and you're not yet giving me your contact info, please sign up for that under the Contact Me form. Just send me your address and all that fun stuff. Please go ahead and share the fire sale to people. Just a reminder, I put out my fire sale video link out on Facebook and Patreon page 15 minutes before the fire sale. 6 p.m. Friday nights is the fire sale Central Standard Time. So make sure you're in the right time zone. Hopefully it's been fun. Thanks for the fire sale. This was the fire sale sneak peek video. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.